crabs. Look at them. Look how cute they are. There's so many and they're so happy. Hey, leave the cows alone. Leave them alone. Okay, we made it to Crabtree Falls National Forest. You'd have to pay a fee to park here, but I got one of these guys. Good morning, everybody. We made it to the Crabtree Falls Trail. Vibeke rocking her Vibeke today. Good morning, everybody. Look at this. Guys, it's really hot outside, and so far we've done like a little over a mile of what's basically stairs, and we've got about a mile left. Whee!
Let's go, Vibeke. Come on. Let's go.
Ooh, it's a cave. Cave of wonders. Vibeke. God, Vibeke, we're here. We made it. Mile 1.7 of 1.7. I know you just want to get in the water. Let's head on up here. Come on. It's not a very long distance, but when it's all really steep uphill, let me tell you, you feel it. Good girl, Vibeke. Look what we found. Now you can cool off. Because it's time to go home. Come on. There's water over there. You can go like cool off and have a drink. Vibeke, with me.